Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to try something very exciting. To make this bottle art you need one glass bottle, Fevicol and jute string. So let's get started. To start with, first apply Fevicol on the glass bottle and start sticking the jute string on the glass bottle. When you stick the jute string, keep on applying Fevicol and press the string properly so it gets stick to the bottle. Keep on applying Fevicol and stick the jute string in circular fashion. Okay, so keep on applying Fevicol up to some extent. After reaching certain level, there is no need to apply Fevicol. So as you can see, I am just setting up the jute string in rounded fashion without applying the Fevicol, because now this particular string can set itself on the bottle. Keep on tying the jute string in circular fashion until you reach the neck of the bottle. When you are tying the jute string, make sure it is tightly tied and very closely spaced. When you reach the neck of the bottle, now you need to apply the Fevicol, because string cannot hold itself without Fevicol because there is a slope on the neck of the bottle. Okay, so keep on applying Fevicol until that slope is covered. After slopey area is completed, you can again continue without using Fevicol. Again you need to apply the Fevicol when you reach top of the bottle. Keep on adjusting the string properly so background of the bottle is not visible. When you reach at the top of the bottle, again start applying the Fevicol, because we need to make sure that this jute string is sticked properly on the bottle. Cut the string and apply good amount of Fevicol to tie the end of the string properly on the bottle. Background of bottle is completed now. Adjust the strings properly. Now for decorating the bottles, I got this leaf shapes from bookstore. But instead of these shapes, you can use any shape, or you can apply Fevicryl colors also to make designs on this particular bottle. Now I'll use Fevicryl colors to make some designs on this leaf pattern. Okay, so I'm using dark pink and yellow color, and I am using reverse color on the leaf. So if leaf is yellow color, I am using dark pink color to make the design, and similarly I'll use yellow color to make design on dark pink color leaf to give it a different look. For making the design, you can use any colors of your choice or any shapes of your choice, or you can stick some other material as well. Whatever is available at your home, you can use that material to stick on this bottle. Everything will look equally beautiful. After applying the Fevicryl color, see how beautiful this bottle looks. So please try this bottle art and share your views in comments. This is how it looks like. You can use this bottle as flower vase or as decorative item. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.